Starting a business in California, one of your first steps is filing the Articles of Organization, officially known as Form LLC-1. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Step 1. Get the official form. Head over to the California Secretary of State's website and download Form LLC-1. You've got options here. You can file it online, by mail, or in person, whichever works best for you. Step 2. Name your LLC. The first section of the form asks for your LLC's name. Make sure it's unique, it can't match or closely resemble another registered business, compliant, it must end with LLC, or limited liability company. Avoid restricted words like bank, trust, or anything that sounds like a government agency, unless you have special approval. Want to check if your name is available? Use California's business search tool. We've linked it in the description for you. Step 3. Designate a registered agent for service of process. Now, this part's all about choosing someone who can receive legal documents for your LLC, your registered agent. You can name yourself, someone you trust, or a registered corporate agent. More on this later. Just a heads up, if you're listing an individual, they must live in California and have a physical street address. No PO boxes allowed. Step 4. Enter your business address. You'll need to provide a business address or an optional separate mailing address. Both must be located in California and both must be street addresses. Again, PO boxes are not accepted. A tip: if you run your business remotely, use a commercial address provider that complies with California regulations. We recommend checking out VirtualPostMail, or VPM, a popular option that meets state requirements. It's a smart business tool with real benefits. Professional business address. Get a long-term address linked to a real commercial office, not a PO box. With a virtual mailbox from VPM, you'll get a real street address attached to a commercial building that gives your business a polished, trustworthy image. Nationwide presence. Establish a business footprint in multiple states without opening physical offices. Perfect for expanding your market reach. Privacy protection. Use your virtual address for LLC registration, legal documents, invoices, and customer-facing materials, while keeping your personal address private. Instant mail access. View and manage your mail from anywhere. Get notified the moment mail arrives, then open, forward, or store it online, all from your device. Same-day check deposits. Receive a check, just request a deposit through your account and it gets mailed to your bank. No trips, no waiting. Bonus: free registered agent service. Some providers like VirtualPostMail even include free registered agent service at all locations, saving you money and hassle. A registered agent is required for every LLC or corporation to receive important legal and government documents, like tax forms or lawsuit notices, on your business's behalf. But most registered agent services stop there. VirtualPostMail does things differently. It combines registered agent services and a virtual mailbox into one powerful, easy-to-use platform with a free registered agent service. Save over $100 a year with no extra fees for multiple businesses. One dashboard. Manage legal, business, and personal mail from anywhere. Real-time legal mail scans. Get same-day digital access to served documents. Privacy and security. Use VPM's commercial address and keep your home address off public records. Get mail forwarding, package handling, and permanent business address all in one. No need to juggle two services. With VPM, your registered agent and mail management are under one roof, for less. Watch this video next to learn more. Step 5. Next, indicate how your LLC will be managed. One manager, more than one manager, all LLC members. If you're a single member LLC, you'll typically select either one manager or all LLC members based on your management style. Step 6. Sign the form. The organizer, usually that's you, must print their name and sign in ink. FYI, the organizer doesn't have to be a member of the LLC, but often is. Step 7. Submit the form. You can submit your completed Form LLC-1 in 3 ways. Online, on bizfileonline.sos.ca.gov, by mail, send it to Secretary of State, Business Entities, P.O. Box 944228, Sacramento, California 94244, or in person to 1500 11th Street, Sacramento, California. The filing fee is $70. The processing time is usually 5 to 10 business days. Online is the fastest. After you file, there are a few more steps to make your LLC fully compliant. File Form LLC-12. The statement of information is due within 90 days of registration. Get an EIN. Apply for your employer identification number from the IRS, even if you're the only member. Pay the annual LLC tax. The California Franchise Tax Board requires an $800 annual fee. And that's everything you need to know to file your Articles of Organization and start your LLC in California. Double check your business name, Follow the form instructions closely and submit on time, and you'll be on your way to launching a successful business. To learn more about forming a California LLC, watch this video next. Learn more.